Hello friends, hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make authentic Goan spicy mango pickle. This is made specially during mango season, and you can store this for rainy season. People usually do this, and for better shelf life you can keep it in an airtight container, or even you can refrigerate it and keep. So I'm going to show in a very simple way how to make spicy mango pickle. For that I have taken 6 mangoes and I will show how to cut. This is the size what we require. Now this is the size what we want. So now once you cut the mangoes, what you have to do is you have to apply salt. I've taken 5 tablespoons for 6 mangoes. Salt you have to add little bit extra. That's why I've taken 5 tablespoons. Mix it well. So once you mix with the salt, you put weight and keep it overnight. So guys, it has been 15 hours now. Now I'm going to open this. Check this. It should be like this. Check the water. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to strain this. Do not throw the water. We have to boil it and use it for further process. Guys, check this out. After straining, see the amount of water. This I'm going to boil, and together I'm going to, in a separate vessel, I'm going to heat the oil up also, which is mustard oil. This mango should be immersed in this liquid. Once we boil this, we'll have to leave it aside to get a room temperature. So let's quickly do this. So now let's quickly dry roast the other ingredients. Once the pan is hot, add mustard seeds, 1.5 tablespoon. So now once this start to slutter, do not add any oil. You have to dry roast it. Just and do not give extra color also. These are ready now. This I'm going to remove it and keep it aside. Once you overcook them, it tastes bitter. So this is how. Methi, 1 teaspoon. This also slightly dry roasted. This is ready. And Hing, which is asafoetida. Check the. Just for 1 minute dry roasted. Now this is ready. I'm going to turn off the flame. And all these 3 ingredients I'm going to make powder dry, grind it without any water. Check this out. Also we need to make powder of these chilies. I've taken Kashmiri chilies and byadgi chilies. These are byadgi one, and these are Kashmiris. Kashmiri gives you better color, red color, and byadgi gives you little spiciness. So I've mixed together, which is 30 each, 20 and 10, 20 Kashmiri and 10 byadgi. So you have to make a dry powder of it and keep it ready. So let's do the mixing part now. This is the chili powder. I'm going to add mustard seeds and which we made paste, 3 ingredients, and then add the water. Make a thick paste. Mix it well. Add half of oil. And the remaining oil, you need to keep it separate. Once you add it in the jar, you have to pour the oil later on. Now I'm going to add mangoes. Mix this properly. Guys, look at this. Now the pickle is ready. Check this color, how awesome it looks. And now you can store this in a airtight container, immerse it in oil. Oil have to float it on top. Do not, you can see I have left the oil, some of the oil. And then whatever oil, if you need more also, you have to heat it up and then leave it at room temperature till it get room temperature, and then mix it. Don't mix the hot oil like how we did the water as well from the mangoes. Same process it is. And you can refrigerate it and keep it also for better shelf life and crunchiness. So thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all. Please do like, share and subscribe and tell your friends as well. Thank you very much.